I'm running kind of late this morning. Overslept again, but we're gonna film an arms workout before I go running this morning. Okay, so my arms are really sore. My biceps specifically. And as we clean up, I'm sitting here thinking about the fact that I have to go run. Are you joining me?
No. Oh, dang. Yeah, I'll come. I wasn't even planning on coming. Like, I was totally gonna skip. Y'all should see the grin on her face as she turns around and looks at me. I hope you've done the bicep workout. It was pretty amazing. You gotta do it with us.
Let's just say I'm sitting here holding my phone as my camera and my arm is like...
Challenge. Hey, challenge for you guys. Impress your spouse. I want your spouse to come in and be like, what are you doing? And then you're working out, okay? Join in with us. Impress your spouse.
It's hot, it's humid,
It's hot.
but we gotta go
We gotta
for a
go.
run.
For
We
a
gotta
run.
do it.
We gotta do
Mile
it.
and a half.
Mile and a half.
He's just gonna repeat
He's just
everything.
gonna repeat everything I say. Walking. We're walking. We're not running.
No, we're over a mile. We're about a mile in. Got half a mile left.
Just a little short walk break. Plus,
Yeah.
the more we walk, the less we have to run. That's only natural.
It's a hard run this morning. The heat is sucking.
hot. It's humid.
Yeah, I just want to get home, get cleaned up, and get some breakfast.
If you run, you'll get home faster.
That's true.
You
All right,
take off, I take off.
here we go. Ugh. My hair is blocking your face.
It's like a little pony's tail. Is that what they call it, a ponytail?
Sorry, it took me a minute to catch up. I had to shoot some cool shots. Gotta run home now. Almost there. You ready?
Go!
He's not even running with me. Look, he's way back there. Almost home though. Not there. There he is. Way back there. I'm gonna wait for him. And I'm gonna cool down and stretch. That's an important part of running. Even though I didn't run real hard this morning. I think it's just because we ran last night. It's important to cool down and stretch. And
Oh, I ran all the way back. Woo! Boy, that was a hard run. She beat me, but just barely.
usually you have a couple of questions for me.
I have a question for you.
You could have stayed home and jumped rope.
See, here's it. She's a slave driver. And question two, why aren't you sweating?
I am! There's sweat dripping off my face. Look, you can kind of see it in the right light.
I see no sweat.
Right there. Little drops. Okay.
Do you hate me?
No, I don't hate you.
'Cause, jeez. 2 runs in 12 hours and I hate running. I got nothing to say. I'm like, my shirt is sticking to me, sweaty. And she's like, I gotta drop us away. Go run somewhere. Get you some running shoes. Go run somewhere. Misery loves company. So come along with us.
No, it's good for you to get up and run.